Imagine being able to create an entire YouTube video with almost one click. If you are someone who wants to start a YouTube channel but feels overwhelmed by the video making process, if yes, then you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can help you create a complete YouTube video as easy as eating a pie. Let me show you an example of a channel that is built on faceless videos.
Hey there and welcome. It's nice to have you back on a new and original video created by us here at ALUX.com. Today
You can see that the channel has 4.3 million subscribers and millions of views, and has been successful in generating engaging content. Stick around, because today, I'm going to reveal the easiest way to create a faceless YouTube channel using an AI video generator. And trust me, you want to take advantage of the bonus tips. You can even use this AI tool to create videos for TikTok, Reels, or any other social media. So let's dive into the process. First, create a YouTube channel. For channel niche, we can ask ChatGPT using this prompt. It has given me 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas. I picked this one. Next up is the AI tool called Flicky, an AI video generator tool that's about to become your new best friend. With Flicky, you can generate a complete YouTube video with one click. Almost. Now sign up. It has a free plan for everyone. But before we get into it, we need a script. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI can help you write engaging video scripts. Just give it a topic, and it'll generate a script for you. For instance, let's say we want to make a video titled 5 Tips to Improve Your Productivity. Here we need to be more specific with our prompt. So I will be writing a unique prompt that will give us much better output than just simple prompts. If you're interested in a dedicated video on advanced GPT prompts, drop a comment below. And don't worry, I've got you covered. All the prompts I've used are conveniently listed in the description. Now, let's circle back to Flicky. Paste your script here, paragraph by paragraph.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in
Flicky helps you create audio and video content. Activity enthusiasts. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed?
You can handpick stock visuals, videos, photos, or GIFs for each scene. Or let Flicky do the heavy lifting. Just hit this button, and it'll auto-select a fitting visual for your chosen scene. Most of the time, it's spot on. We need to edit our subtitles. For that, you can refer to this part of the right-hand section, which allows you to change the position, font, color, and size of the subtitles. Once you are satisfied with what you've created, all you have to do is hit export, and then download to have your own AI-generated video in a few minutes. And just like that, you've created a high-quality, faceless YouTube video.
You've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 game-changing tips that will skyrocket your productivity and help you conquer your to-do list like a pro, your efficiency, and unlocking your full potential. Our first tip is all about setting the tone.
Easy that was. But remember, the free plan does have some limitations, but it's a small price to pay for your very own AI-generated video in minutes. The free plan includes a small watermark on the video, but hey, you can easily overlay it with your channel's logo. So, there you have it. With this AI video generator, you can create your own faceless YouTube channel. And remember, the only limit is your imagination. I know it's not yet on par with other advanced video editing tools, where you have to spend hours perfecting one video, but it can get you started with decent quality videos. And now, as promised, for the cherry on top, some insider tips for uploading your video on YouTube. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to craft a title, description, and tags for your video, using the script as a reference. We've already instructed it to be SEO friendly, so expect some solid results. For the thumbnail, check out visme.co. They offer a free plan and a plethora of templates that you can tweak to create an eye-catching thumbnail. If you've enjoyed this, buckle up. There are a whole lot more AI tutorials, strategies, and tips coming your way. But to be the first to see them, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. Until next time, folks.